Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma 7750. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without involving an attached PC or laptop. So, to get to the cartridges, we need to lift the control panel on the front of the printer. It comes up like that. Your printer will automatically realise this has been done and eventually slide the ink cartridge cradle along to a resting position here. And you'll notice there's LEDs along the bottom of the cradle. You get like a slow flash like you've got on the yellow here if the printer thinks it's running low on ink. And it'll flash much more rapidly if your printer thinks the ink cartridge has actually run out of ink. So, to remove a cartridge from the printer, you just press the little clip on the front, and then you can lift it up, slide them out, take them away. Now, I'm not going to actually replace the ink cartridge since this printer is fine to carry on using it, but once you've got your new cartridge, make sure you've removed any protective packaging you might find on there. This will often be a pull tab on the top of the cartridge, which is important to remove first, and then if you've got any protective clips on the bottom, take that off before you pop it in. If you take the clip off the bottom before the pull tab on the top, you can sometimes find the ink will spill from the top of the ink cartridge, staining your desk or hands or whatever you've got around. So take the extra bit of time to ensure you can avoid that. Get it back in, predictably, same thing in reverse. Slide it in, and we push down until we hear a little click, and the light will come on for the cartridge too. Repeat for any other ink cartridges you need to replace, and then if you just grip the top gently, you can slide it back down into position, and your printer will start taking a look at the ink cartridges. Assuming it's happy with everything, you'll be taken back to the main screen of the printer, but this range of machines are pretty transparent with any problems they have with the ink cartridges. Canon don't tend to mess around with firmware updates or devious messages, so you can take any messages you're given at face value. Please do give us a like if this video has been useful for you. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.